Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to do the copy trading on BYBIT and the new features on the BYBIT copy trading platform. Now, some months ago, I already made a video on how to do this, but since then, a lot of things have changed on the BYBIT copy trading platform. So I'm making this video so you can be updated on this. Also, there will be a $200 giveaway at the end of this video, which is sponsored by BYBIT. I'll talk more about that later in this video. So ensure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on this giveaway. Now, before I go on to the main content of this video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm on the BYBIT homepage. Now, to get to the copy trading page, you need to come to where you have tools right here and you tap on copy trading. Now, once you tap on copy trading, it will take you to the copy trading page on BYBIT. But if you are using your phone and you want to get to the copy trading page, you come to the home page on your app and then you see where the arrow is pointing to where you have copy trading. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the copy trading page on your app. Now, this copy trading was not available on the app when I made the first video about the BYBIT copy trading, but now it is available. So how to go about it or how to carry out trades on the copy trading page is the same process whether on your phone or on your laptop. But I'll be recording this video with my laptop. Now, as you can see right here, we are now on the BYBIT copy trading page. And you can see right here from the top, you can see the different traders you can copy. Right here, you have top traders by ROI. ROI is the return on investment. This means that these are the traders that have earned the highest ROI in the last 7 days. So you can see that in the last 7 days, this trader has made 90% profit. This trader has made 44% profit. This one has made 41% profit, and so on. And if you scroll down, you will see the next category, traders with the highest profit for followers. That means traders that their followers have earned the highest. So for this person right here, this person has made 17% for his followers. And this person right here has made 15% for his followers. This person has made 16% for his followers. So you'll be seeing the others right here. And if you scroll down again, you see where you have the lowest drawdown. Lowest drawdown means that the person who has made the lowest amount of loss. So you can see for this person right here, drawdown in the last 30 days, the person has only lost 4.97%. And this person right here, the person drawdown in the last 30 days is just 8.71%. For this person right here, the person has lost 14% in the last 30 days. So you'll be able to see for other traders right here. And you can see for top intraday traders and so on. So you can see different categories of traders right here. And also there's something you're going to notice about each trader. You see where you have AUM. AUM means asset under management. So that means that this person is handling $5,000 worth of assets in his portfolio. For this person right here, this person is handling $9,600 worth of assets in his portfolio right here. You see for other people right here. Now, where you're going to find a lot of people with the highest amount of asset under management is where you have traders with the highest profit for followers. If you see this person right here, CEO Musk, AUM, asset under management, is $1.5 million. So this person, you can say this person is a professional trader or a top trader. And this person right here is handling $907,000 worth of assets. This person is handling $245,000 worth of assets. So I will advise that these are the kind of traders that you should follow. Traders that have huge amount of assets under management, because it is proven that, okay, this kind of people, they are trading a lot of money and they are professional traders. So let's say, for example, we want to follow one of the traders under these traders with highest profit for followers. Then you can check out whoever you want to follow right here. For this first person right here, this person is full, so you can't follow this person again. This person has the highest number of followers already. For this one, I'm already following this person. You can see followed right here. So I'm following this trader right here. And don't forget, I'll be making a video about the result I'm getting from this copy trading very soon. So stay tuned for that video. And you can see this person right here. This person, I've not followed this person. If you look at the ROI in the last 30 days, is 16%. ROI in the last 90 days is 22%. And drawdown in the last 30 days, that is loss, is 12%. And asset under management is $245,000. So let's try and see if we can follow this trader. So let's say I want to copy this trader right here. Before I tap on copy right here, let's firstly check out the more details about this trader. So if you want to check more details, just tap on the person's username right here. and it will bring you to the page where you can see more details about this trader. So right here, you can see the 7-day rank of this trader. So in the last 7 days, this trader is ranked number 382. You can see the followers. This person has 800 out of 1,000 followers. Trading days, this person has been trading for 37 days. And we scroll down here to where you have performance. So the performance of this trader. So in the last 7 days, you can see that this trader has made 9.98%. And right here, you're going to see the person's PNL, that is the person's profit or loss. So this person has made $305. And you see the maximum drawdown, that is the maximum loss, which is 12%. And you see the person's followers PNL, that is the people following this trader have made $10,700 right here. So that's the meaning of all the details you can see right here. If you come to where you have cumulative followers right here, so this person cumulative followers is 1,538. And also, if you see the 7-day win rate, that's in the last 7 days, this person has won 66% of his trades. And you see the total number of trades. So this person has taken 403 trades. And out of those 403 trades, the win trades are 350. So this person has won 350 out of 403 trades, which is very, very good. And this person has lost 10 trades. So this is a very, very profitable trader. Out of 403, he has won 350 trades and lost just 10. And the average PNL that this person is making is 1.59 USDT per trade. So let's just say $2 per trade. So this person is making at least our average of $2 per trade. And the person's 7-day PNL ratio is 292:1. And the person's average holding time is 2.43 days. So this means that this person holds his trade for average of 2 days. And then the trading frequency weekly is 61.25 trades. This means this person is taking an average of 61 trades every week. So this means that this person is taking an average of 61 trades every week. Now, if you scroll down again, you can see the profit the followers are making. So the people that are following this trader, these are the profits they are making. So right here, you see the email address or the username of the follower, and you see the amount of money they've made. So this follower has made $1,130, which is 11% ROI. This follower, which is Mabios, has made $573, and that's 9.56%. So right here, you see the amount other followers are making right here. If you want to see all, just tap on view all right here. Now, aside from that, before you pick a trader to follow, you can come here to see how much they've been making every day. So for the last 7 days, now you can see on the 15th of February, this person made 6% profit. And on the 16th of February, this person made a loss of 5.66%. And on the 17th, the person made 7% profit. And on the 18th, this person made 1% profit. And on the 19th, this person made 0.9% profit. And on the 20th, this person made 4% profit. And on the 21st, this person made minus 4% loss. So you can see that the cumulative of everything in the last 7 days is 9.9% profit. So you can see how much this person has been making every day. And you can see it right here on the daily profit. So you can see the daily profit right here. This was $132 right here. Right here, this person lost $125. He made $157 right here, made $40 right here, and then made $21 right here, and made $104 right here, and then the person lost $113 right here. Now, if you want to check more information about this trader again, you scroll down, is where you have trading history. Now, this trading history means the pair that the person is trading or has been trading. So if you check this for last 7 days right here, you can change it to 30 days, 90 days, or 180 days too. So let's leave it for 7 days right here. So in the last 7 days, these are the pairs that this trader has been trading. So this person has been trading GMX USDT, NEAR USDT, APT USDT, Link USDT, and other cryptocurrencies. And you see the profit this person has been making from these pairs right here. And if you scroll down, we are going to be seeing the open trades right here. So these are the open trades that this trader is currently taking. So you'll be seeing them right here. So these are important information or details that you need to know about any trader you want to copy. And if you see where you have this profit sharing ratio, where you see 12%, this means that this trader will be taking 12% out of the profit you are making. So if you are making like $100, this person is going to be getting $12 out of the profit. So you need to also take note of that. Now, also, if you want to check out more details about the people that are following this trader, if you come here to where you have followers and scroll down, you will see the amount of money this trader of the followers are making every day. So if you look at this follower right here, this person is trading with $9,600. This person has made total profit of $1,100, and that is 11% profit. And this person has been following for the past 18 days. So in 18 days, this person has made $1,000 as profit. And you can see for the other followers right here. So let's say after checking all of these details and information about this trader, you want to follow this trader, just come to where you have copy right here and tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you see where you have smart copy mode right here. If you tap on this drop down arrow, you see that you have two different modes right here. And this is one of the new features on the BYBIT copy trading platform. And that the feature is called the smart copy mode. Now, for this smart copy mode, it allows you to follow a master trader faster in just 3 main steps. Which you just need to do is just enter the amount you want to invest or the amount you want to use to copy the trader, and you select the account to transfer from, and just click on copy. That is all for this. So you don't need to be enter any other details for the smart copy mode. So let's use the smart copy mode for this. So we are using the smart copy mode. What you just need to enter right here is the amount or the funds to copy. So let's say, for example, you want to copy with, let's say, $100. So you enter $100 right here. And the next place you enter your copy stop loss. So your stop loss or the amount of money you are willing to risk. So you can enter it in terms of USDT or percentage. So I'm going to use percentage right here, and I will enter 5%. So I'm only willing to risk 5% for every trade right here. That's the meaning. And right here where you have BYBIT copy guard, I will advise that you put it on right here. Now, once you put this on right here, we all know that all traders cannot be 100% accurate with their analysis and with their trades. So when you turn on this BYBIT copy guard, it helps you to limit your losses. So you should turn it on if you are using the BYBIT copy trading platform. And once you've done that, you come here to where you have, I have read and agreed to BYBIT copy trading agreement, and tap on copy now. Now, let's say, for example, you want to use the advanced copy mode. Just come here and tap on advanced copy mode and tap on confirm. And once you tap on the confirm, you will enter the amount of money or funds that you want to use to copy. So I'll leave it at $100 again. And then you enter your copy stop loss, which is 5%. And once you've done that, you tap on next. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to enter the amount of money you want to use to copy each trade. So out of that $100 you want to use to copy this trader, how much you want to risk for each trade? So for each trade, let's say out of the $100, I want to risk $20 for each trade. So this means that my margin for each trade or for each position is 20 USDT. And because I have $100, that means I can go into 5 trades with this trader. That's the meaning. And then the next thing is to select your leverage. Now, to select your leverage, you come here and pick this place. You see different or 3 different options. You can follow the trader's leverage. That means you are using the leverage the trader is using. Or you pick your own leverage right here, which is the fixed leverage. Or you pick a custom leverage for each pair. So you can see for each pair right here, there's a custom leverage, or you can insert your own leverage right there. So for me, let's say I want to pick a fixed leverage. Let's say I want to always use 15 or let's say 10x leverage. Let me pick 10x leverage right here. So if I want to use 10x leverage, I'll pick 10, and then I tap on confirm. And then once you've done that, just click on I have read and agreed to BYBIT copy trading agreement, and tap on copy now. Now, aside from that, if you scroll down to where you have this more settings right here, you see different options that you can pick right here. Now, I'm going to explain what this means to you. Now, right here where you have maximum position margin per contract. The meaning of this, as you can see on the screen, is that when the trader reaches a position margin of any amount you put in there in a single contract, you automatically stop copying the trader for the day. Now, I advise that you leave this open, because once you've entered the amount of money for fixed margin right here, this does not necessarily mean it at all. For this maximum daily position limit, as you can see on the screen, this means that once the trader reaches the amount of USDT you put in there in a single day, you will automatically stop copying the trader for the day. I would advise that you leave this to, they are not really necessary. All you need to do is just enter the margin right here and your leverage, and don't forget to put the total funds you want to use to copy. And where you have the stop loss ratio per order, take profit ratio per order, maximum slippage per order, these ones right here, leave them, because it won't really be as if you are copying the trader. It will even be as if you are even trading on your own, which does not even make any sense if you are using the copy trading platform. So once you've entered your leverage settings right here, your fixed margin, and the funds to copy, you are good to go. So let's, for example, I want to copy this trader with all of these details I've put in. I will just come right here and tap on copy now. So once you tap on copy now, you're already copying the trader. So all you just need to do is just wait for the trader to go into a trade. So if the trader should go into any trade right now, you automatically copy that trade. So you don't need to be online whenever the person is taking a trade. Now to the $200 giveaway sponsored by BYBIT that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So recently, a new trading pair was listed on the BYBIT spot trading page, which is the core USDT. So if you go on the BYBIT spot trading page, as you can see on the screen right here, you see a new trading pair called core USDT right here where my cursor is. Now, in case you don't know, core is a very popular cryptocurrency in Africa, especially in Nigeria. And if you can see on the BYBIT spot trading page, you see that you can trade core on BYBIT. And also, in case you want to do your research about core, you can come here to coinmarketcap.com to do your research and check out a lot of details about the core crypto. Now to how to participate in the $200 giveaway. Now the first thing you need to do is to create an account on BYBIT with my link in the description of this video. If you have already created an account on BYBIT with my link in the description, don't worry about step 1. Now for step 2, if you already have core crypto on another crypto app, you need to transfer at least $50 worth of core crypto to your BYBIT account, and it should be transferred to your spot wallet. Or if you don't have the core crypto on another app, you need to buy $50 USDT on the BYBIT P2P page and use it to trade core USDT on the BYBIT spot trading page. That's for step 2. Now, step 3 is once you've done all of this, you need to send your BYBIT UID, which you will find on your profile page, and send a screenshot of the deposit you made or the core trade that you took, and send it to me on WhatsApp. The link to send it to me on WhatsApp will be in the description below. Please make sure you check the description only. Don't reply to any comments giving you fake numbers in the comment section below. My contact will only be found in the description of this video. Please take note. And also, only the first 20 people to do this will get $10 each transferred to their BYBIT wallet. So that is all for the giveaway. Don't forget to follow the rules. Only people who follow the rules will get to win the giveaway. So thank you for watching this video, guys. That's all I have for you today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.